This video is brought to you by QTH The Lightning Products and sponsored by busy2buy.com. Shop with confidence.
Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to see more about Pinterest. Pinterest is a social networking website that provides a platform for planning, collecting, discussing, and sharing ideas, common interests, and directing traffic to the business portals or blogs. In own words of Pinterest, it is the visual bookmarking tool that helps you discover and save creative ideas. Though Pinterest was launched almost 5 years after Facebook and Twitter, it has 100 million active users with 176 million registrations. Yes, you heard it right. These numbers show that there is a lot of people using Pinterest. Business owners around the world can utilize this website as a traffic generating and audience creating tool for marketing their business. Let's have a look on working principle of Pinterest. Imagine a notice board in front of you. You can write or print some valuable piece of information about your products or services on a blank page and just pin it on the board to inform people about they exist. Any person passing by the notice board can notice the page of your information. Pinterest works exactly the same way. The next question is, what is Pinterest used for? Pinterest is widely used for to bookmark an interesting idea, a recipe, DIY project, an article, or a quote. The way you bookmark a cheat on a board in real life for later use. It can be used to direct the traffic to your blog or business portal. Pinterest is also used to advertise your products and services. It may be used to promote your business, to sell your products or services, to communicate with other people on Pinterest. What is pinning? It is nothing but adding a bookmark. When user clicks on a pin, it redirects the user to the website where it came from so that you can discover and know further. You can also find pins from other people. Anything on the internet can be pinned. May it be a delicious looking recipe, a DIY project, a quote, an article, or your next adventure. What do you mean by Pinterest boards? Pinterest boards are used to save pins and categorize them thematically. You can add boards while pinning. There are 3 types of boards: regular, secret, and group. Boards are covered. Types of Pinterest accounts. Pinterest has 2 options for accounts that showcase your profile: personal account, business account. Both accounts on Pinterest are free for registration. If you need a business account, then you may visit the link business.pinterest.com. Click on Join as Business button. Enter correct email appropriate password, and your brand or business name. Don't forget to select the business type from the drop down menu. Enter your website's name and click on Create Account button. And yes, your business account on Pinterest is active now. Creating and editing promoted pins on Pinterest. The Pinterest Ads Manager helps you create promoted pins. Promoted pins are regular pins that you can pay for so that more of your desired audience sees them in relevant search results, category feeds, and home feed. Before you get started with Pinterest paid promoted pins, here are the few things that you must be aware of. Promoted pins are only available to partners in US, Canada, UK, Ireland, Australia, and New Zealand at this time. You need a business account to use promoted pins. You may sign up or convert your existing account to get the access. Right now, you can only promote pins from your profile. So make sure to add pins and boards before you start. To access the Pinterest Ads Manager, visit your profile or just bookmark ads.pinterest.com. There's no minimum cost. The amount you pay varies on your targeting and bid and depends on your campaign type. Let's move on to our next topic and see the success case studies of Pinterest. Driving more traffic with rich pins. In early March 2015, About.com started using rich pins to add extra details from their site to their pins. After the first week, About.com saw a 40% increase in traffic from Pinterest. From there, they have continued to see a 70% increase in referral traffic year over year. Improving content to attract more visitors. To achieve that success, About.com creates a strategic blend of pins across 3 buckets: evergreen content, seasonal content, trendy and of-the-moment content. Evergreen content pins that work any time of the year, like how-tos, best practices, and tips. Seasonal content. Topics that appeal to readers for 30 to 60 days a year, like holiday-specific content and pins related to big movie releases or key sporting events. Trendy and of-the-moment content. Fashion and diet trends, cultural events, and even notable deaths. As a result, pins about recipes, DIY home, life hacks, practical health advice tend to perform best with target audiences on Pinterest. Some of the About.com's top pins include how to on making a bouncing polymer ball from household materials, which has been repinned more than 7 lakhs times. Across every vertical, Pinterest works well for projects, tips, and how-to content. Evergreen content also performs strongly and it attracts a broad range of demographics. Unlike other social sources, Pinterest shares continue to attract attention for weeks or months, which results in a steady growth of traffic as more and more people discover best practices on Pinterest.